Hello guys, welcome to channel Phone Mania. So in today's video, we are going to unbox the Moto G54, and this is the 12GB refresh variant in the pearl blue color, and this is the Flipkart Indian retail unit. This is the phone. This is, and its written details at full speed, high performance 5G internet, advanced 50MP camera system with OIS, 67 mAh battery, turbo power, 30 charging and all. And let me remove the case. And here we are getting a decent case also. Okay, fine. And let me remove the stickers. Okay, and this is the pearl blue color of phone. Okay, it's a plastic, and if you compare this right against the Moto G84, this is the Moto G84 over here. Let me show you. So this is the Moto G84 versus the Moto G54, and you can see a bump in the phone because of the 6000 mAh battery over here, which this is a bit sleek if we compare with the right against the Moto G54. Anyways, we'll be doing a detailed comparison with these guys also. Stay tuned and let us go back to the Moto G54 itself. Let's check what are we getting in the box. So starting off, we are getting the Moto G54 kickstart guide and some safety information, and there's injector tool, and then the 33-watt adapter, turbo power adapter over here. You can see 3-watt adapter, and then a USB type A to type C data cables. You can see USB type A to USB type C data cables over here. That's it we are getting. Yes, let's boot up the phone. So it's hello, start, skip, setup offline, continue, next, skip for now, getting your phone ready, gestures, yeah, so it's done. So let's go to settings, display. We can see a few options, like we have getting the dark theme option over here, and then the night light option. It's a blue light filter, and the colors we have natural as well as saturated, and that's it over here. And now let's quickly check the camera UI also. So starting off, we are getting the pro mode. That means aperture ISO white balance can be adjusted. Then we have the video mode, and we can record either up to 60 fps 130p or 30 fps, and we are also getting a stabilization option. Okay, so that is also built. And then photo, we are getting macro 0.5 or 1, and then we have the portrait mode over here, and then we have the night vision mode. Then in more, we are having the sport color, panorama mode, scan mode, dual capture, slow motion time lapse, sport color, and dual capture video. And now let's quickly check the fingerprint scanner as well as face recognition. So settings, security, fingerprint plus pin, 3 4. So it's done. So it's side mode fingerprint scanner. So done. And meanwhile, let me also add the face unlock. So the face is added. After that, I am turning on the lift to unlock. So okay, it's done. So first of all, let's check the fingerprint scanners. So in 3 2 1 go. Okay, once again locked. In 3 2 1 go. Okay, once again locked, unlocked, once again 3 2 1 go. Okay, now it's time for the face recognition. So it's locked, and I'm gonna, okay, once again it's locked. Lift to on is okay. It's taking a bit second, but it's completely fine. So that's it.